Hi, I'm Doug. Mike Holmes has been warning homeowners for years about bad contractors. But there's one trap that he never talks about. And it's costing people thousands on HVAC installs. Most homeowners think getting 3 quotes means that they're protected. It doesn't. I've seen quotes that look identical on paper, but hide massive differences in size, airflow, warranty, and the actual steps on installation. Same price on paper, completely different comfort and outcome in real life. I've learned this the hard way. I've spent years inside the HVAC industry watching good people make expensive decisions simply because they didn't know the right questions to ask. Contractors sell equipment, homeowners buy peace of mind, and nobody connects the dots for them. If you want to avoid the mistakes Mike Holmes warns about, and some of the ones that he doesn't, follow me.